Alright, finally going to Bass Pro Shop World at the Silverton.
Hi.
We're here, gonna do a little thing, walk around. It's a hot ass fucking day right here. And there's a truck coming! Alright, there was a truck coming. That's a badass motherfucking Porsche. Alright, let's see what we find inside, because I'm putting this shit away. Alright, so here in Bass Pro Shop. Big ass fucking place. I'm looking at different kinds of power baits, and we're looking at some zooms. I don't even know how good how you can hear me because I got my mask on. But they're not too expensive. We got different kinds. Oh look, these are the flavored ones. These are humongous. They got a bunch of different kinds of reels here and shit. Alright, so let's go over here. They got all the different kinds of Rapala baits right here. We got this cool looking one. We got more Rapalas. Tons of different Rapalas. They got a Rapala shark wrap. It's a floating made out of balsa. Damn. That's that expensive high quality shit. They got more Rapalas. This whole aisle right here is Rapala. Rapala all the way around. Over here they got the Kiwis. These are big too. Look at these. There's some big boy right here. Got a big boy action. Huh? What? Oh, over there. Alright, now we're here really to find some scent and maybe another kind of bait. Which one? Yeah, that's a big one. Oh, and we're gonna look at some swim bait too. Hopefully we can get some of that. I don't know, we'll see. For sure we're gonna get some scent though. So let's go over here in the aisle where the scent's at. Alright, so we're over here where the scents are finally. And we're looking at all the scent. I think I'm gonna get this NIE's one. I don't know what that means, but I like it because the crayfish, they got trout, they got herring, they got the crawfish super gel. They got a bunch of different dyes and sprays from Gulp. They got minnow potion. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna definitely go with this one right here, this NIE's. This one looks real good. I've never used this one before, so let's try this one out. Alright, so I found these other ones that are like shrimp flavored and shit. There's 8 in a pack. There's a couple other ones. These are all by Gulp. They're pretty good. These are pretty cheap. They even got some crab looking ones. They got some other shad looking ones. They got a couple other shrimp ones. These right here, like some shrimp, they glow. They're shad. These are squid. Look like little squidlings. This one's really colorful. This one's cool. It's got 8 of them in them. And they're shrimp. I mean, they're whatchamacallits as well. They're squids. And then we got some more kind of other stuff around over here. And we got a little line and tackle stuff. Probably just gonna definitely go with this. Lizards. Are these all lizard baits? Oh look, here's the crawfish ones. Ah, look, there's the Googans. 10 times tough. Here's the creature baits. Oh yeah. It's gonna be some high quality stuff in here now. My Babbles.
Hi.
My fishing compadre. So yeah, there's some more stuff. There's way more aisles to go look at. So we got lots to do. Lots to do. Alright, so we just got out of Bass Pro Shop. I got a couple things.
Go to the back. Let's see what you get.
Alright, we got some YUMs. We got some more YUMs. Some more YUMs. We got the watermelon, the green pumpkin. We got the JuneBug, and we got the Pearl.
JuneBug is my favorite.
Yeah, JuneBug is our favorite. Just looks the coolest, most appealing. The white one's pretty decent, and then the green pumpkin is one of the all-time favorites. And on top of that, we also got some of these diamond cut drop weights, and we got a little J.
That's cute.
For my J. And you dropped it. And you fucking dropped it. But yeah, that was our little trip to Outdoor World here at Bass Pro Shops. Jesus. I don't even know. I just mumbled some shit. And yeah, that was pretty good. We're way out here. There's a lot of stuff going on. Cutie pie. Alright. Adventure. Let's continue on.
Back out here. Butter and great. JuneBug on the hook here. There's some big fish out here. About to catch us some bass. We did. Catch us some. Let's get a look at butter. Coming at you in video mode over here. Huh? He's dead?
No, he's stuck.
Stuck?
I'll record this.
No, it's too late.
He's on the ground. I can get it. Ah, no. Yes. Liars. What's up? Oh. Alright. Hey, hey,
Still in shock?
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's bleeding.
Oh.
He'll be fine. He'll be fine.
I don't think so. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Okay. He's just in shock for a second, or three.
All the blood was coming fly from the hook. That went all the way fucking through.
Yeah, I know, I saw that. It looked like he had a nice little lip piercing right there.
Boy. She does now. Everyone's looking at like, dog.
We didn't catch. Benball Nate caught 2 big fish. Now we're on this bridge. That is so pretty. Look at that. Try not to drop my phone. Because I'm clumsy and I'll do it. Huh? What?
They're trying to fight the current, you see them?
Yeah.
I'll show you fighting.
Look at that. Let's go under this bridge and fish. Okay. the hook. Oh shit. You gotta get in there, buddy. You gonna lose it. That's big. Come here, come here. Come on. That's 2 in a row for butter on the soup worms. That's not too good. I'm not trying to drop my phone, so I'm not gonna come over there. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. That's a big one. Let me see. Yeah. Like that.
It's like a big bass energy right there. How far you think I can chuck this one?
Just let him go.
No, I'm throwing this bitch out. Did it for Narnia.
Oh yeah, that was good, butter. 2 in a row. What was that on?
There's some big motherfuckers.
What was that on?
Huh?
What was that on?
The blue one.
Oh yeah.
I just take out on that one. So just in case we're loose one side, that's the other. I'll put it under the toolbox. Number so she don't go away.
So,
Can we get a scale next?
I think that was like a 2-pounder right there. I think that was like a 2-pounder. He took your everything. Kiss it. I'm just kidding. Don't kiss that. Kiss me. Woo! So that's your third fish, right? That's your third fish, right?
Oh, yeah. What sucks is almost every time I catch a fish, the whole worm comes off.
Yeah. Kind of run out of bait. But yeah, we've been here for what, 6 hours now?
Huh?
Been here for what, 6 hours now?
Yeah.
You caught 3, I caught 1 little baby one.
Nate's got 12 fish.
And they caught like 15,000 fish. Since we first got here. Nate's always looking
after like 15.
when he first cast.
Yeah, I think Nate caught 12. I lost count after 15.
They always catch a lot of fish. Oh, I got you scratching your belly. Oh, that's me. See the catching fish.
Shoot! It goes up the line?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was still on there. And then as I reeled it in, I'm guessing the waves.
When they just like split it half on it or something?
The waves.
Hey, so we've been working with we got the JuneBug, we got the green pumpkin, and we got the pearls. And out of all day fishing, all we got is one JuneBug left, one green pumpkin left.
Yeah.
And we got...
Well, I got one on this hook right here. But that's
I'm stealing yours.
No, that's... Okay.
And we got 6 of the pearl ones.
Yeah.
But those will probably be good at midnight.
Yeah. Because over here, the moonlight is shining crazy. So yeah.
See what happens.
Oh, and look at this hook. This hook got dented from that big fish. That's crazy.
I don't know what kind of thing that's called, but that's what I do.
If it works for you, you know? Whatever works. Cast my line out here too. See if I can get in that little something, you know? I'm using that pumpkin. I don't know if Luis will like it over here. It's no ducks. I don't know if Luis will like it here. It's no ducks. No ducks. Big chillin'. Big chillin'. Why you gonna give me yours? What color is yours? It's the same color.
Come on, catch another fish. Catch another fish.
You got another one. There you go, buddy. There you go. That's the pork plan.
You have more white ones? I have 6 white ones. Yeah, okay. And this is hot. You got the inside of hot? Yeah. And then just pull it up, bro. I like neutralizing the nutrition. Yeah. When you grab it, but this side.
Wait, hold it. Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's videoing now. bucket. Oh God. What are you doing?
Oh, you missed it.
I got it on. I thought it was gonna go in the rim. I thought it was gonna go in the rim. It looked like it was gonna go like that.
You got all that on it?
Yeah. Got another one. Then got this one on the white worm. That YUM Senko. Oh shit. He's a fighter.
Send me all these videos.
Okay. I'm taking picture too. Alright. There you go. It's a video too. And that was on the white. Yeet. Oh!
Alright, so that was our day here with the homie Nate. Fishing. We're headed home. We will be back to this spot. Look at that amazing fucking sunset. My Babbles. Yep, like, subscribe, comment. Plenty of new content definitely coming in soon. We're definitely returning here. Look at that sunset. Alright.